Hello Vivakians, welcome back to the SST class of class 6. This is day 4 of our chapter The Early Cities. Children, we studied about few topics yesterday where we studied about life of the people. We studied about the basic needs, governance as well as the tools, then pottery, craftsmen, jewelry, cloth making, toys, religious beliefs, seals, trade and commerce, and script. Now today we are going to start our next topic, that is Lothal, a case study. We are going to read about Lothal कि लोथल जो डॉकयार्ड था वहाँ की लोकेशन क्या थी और वहाँ की इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस या इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें क्या थी जो एक्सकवेशन के ड्यूरिंग मिली हैं. Vivakians, Lothal is located at the bank of Sabarmati river. It is located in Gujarat state. It is the only dockyard. ये सिर्फ इकलौता डॉकयार्ड है जो सारी सिविलाइजेशंस के ड्यूरिंग मीन्स इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के ड्यूरिंग मिला है. डॉकयार्ड आई एक्सप्लेन यू येस्टरडे ऑल्सो. एविडेंस क्या क्या मिले हैं यहाँ से पता चला है दैट ट्रेड फ्लरिश्ड अक्रॉस द सी and things found here are a storehouse, large amount of seals, bead making buildings, metals and some artworks. Lothal is divided into two parts like other places. One is citadel and another is lower town. The city was well planned and had walls on the sides to safeguard it against floods. As was the tradition, I told you it also has two places, citadel and lower town. The citadel was inhabited by the rulers and had better path and drainage. Drinking water wells have been found in this area. The lower town here was further divided into two portions. There is a main street which had structure pointing towards the existence of shops. Many houses built in well-organized rows have also been found on this site. Now look at this map, a layout of the archaeological site of Lothal. See, this is the entrance. These boundaries are the mud brick wall. These are thick walls. This is the drainage system. Here, this is granary block C. This is the well. These are bead factory. This is the main road and here it is a lower town. अब देख रहे हैं कितने अच्छे से इस सिटी को प्लान किया गया है. Now move to our next topic, the mysterious end of the civilization. Yes children, it's a mystery. कैसे इस civilization का end हुआ आज तक इस चीज़ की श्योरिटी नहीं है. 3900 years ago इस civilization का end हो गया, but the reasons are unknown. Some guesses are there like maybe flood, maybe drainage system collapsed, deforestation, migration, etc. Let's read it in detail. The study of the ruins of this civilization was carried out by archaeologists and historians. They have observed that the civilization ended 3900 years ago. They have not been able to find the exact reason, as I told you. It is guessed that there may have been massive floods which could have led the drainage system to collapse and उसी वजह से जो पूरा रीजन है वो buried हो गया हो मड में. Some scholars believe that the river dried up और रिवर के ड्राई होने से डिफोरेस्टेशन शायद हुआ हो और डिफोरेस्टेशन की वजह से क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग जो हैं वो एग्रीकल्चर पर बेस्ड थे, मे बी दे हैव माइग्रेटेड ऑन सम अदर प्लेस. सो द एग्जैक्ट रीजन ऑफ द एंड ऑफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन इज स्टिल अननोन. Let's move to our next topic, seals. The seals are usually a device which are used to imprint a stamp. Once things are packed, the mouth of the cover could be sealed with some wet clay and stamped with a seal to ensure that the quantity and quality of the things inside remains intact. This process of sealing is used even today while sealing parcels in post offices. However, the material used nowadays is different. We call it lac and the seals are made of brass. Our next topic is around the world. Let's read little about the Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization came along the river Nile in Africa. As you know, I told you Egyptian civilization is in Africa. The famous things here are colossal temples, pyramids. You know, the dead are buried with food and clothes, etc. We call it mummies. Mummification. ममीज का पता ही है आपको, काफ़ी मूवीज़ में आपने देखा है. ममीफिकेशन क्या होता है? एम्बैलमिंग एंड प्रिजर्विंग ऑफ डेड बॉडीज़. वो लोग अपने डेड्स को बर्न नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि उनके यहाँ पर बरी किया जाता है, और बरी करते टाइम उस डेड के लिए फूड, यूटेंसिल्स, ट्रेजर्स, टूल्स वगैरह साथ में ही बरी किए जाते हैं, टू इंश्योर द डिसीज्ड वुड लिव हैप्पीली ever after, because they believe in the life even after death. So children, this was the end of our chapter. Now we'll upload question answers of this chapter on our website on Monday. So tune up and copy the answers in your notebook. Have a good day.